how to zoom in Adobe Acrobat. So, you are working with the PDF in Adobe Acrobat and need to zoom in to see those details, right? Pretty common task, it's actually super easy and there's a few ways that you can do it. Let's look at the quickest method. First up, look up for the magnifying glass. You can see it in the right toolbar and it's over here. And this plus icon over here means zoom in and this minus sign over here means zoom out. As we are going to zoom in, simply tap on it and that will show you a percentage and a line from where you can just zoom in. For example, I want it to be larger, I can do this and if I want it smaller, I can do this. So by adjusting this one, you can easily zoom in the PDF using Adobe Acrobat. And second one, maybe you want to control or prefer keyboard shortcut. For that, hold on to the control key and then tap on plus and it will gradually start zooming in your PDF. So that was the way you can use in order to zoom in Adobe Acrobat PDF. And if you know any other ways that we can use in order to zoom in, please comment in below. And lastly, if this video made your day a little bit easier, don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing tips. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.